This warrior man go down. Does it fit though? Is it your size? Let's find out.
Let me see. Is it your size? Can it fit? Help her over. Help her over. Help her over.
What? I see Nigeria. Remember, so when they have bomb like Germany, who represent for Germany? I see Rwanda. I see Sweden in any place too. Who represent for Kenya? Wow. Take a look at that. You can't trick me. Hi. Hello. Can I borrow your flag real quick? Can I borrow it? Yeah, then can I borrow it? I'm gonna give it back, I promise. I promise. I just want to borrow it real quick. Don't get it twisted. My name is Konshens Reggae. Yeah. I represent the Kenya. But don't get it twisted. All the people who love Jamaica say yo! Listen, if you happen to be alive tonight, I want to see everybody put their fucking hand in the air like this. Everybody down! Off the tree! I want to see you jumping! 1, 2, 3, Let's go. If we happen to be alive, like I'm happy to be alive, put your hands up on the
Somebody go for the bounce.
Okay, stop, watch it. Careful. I love it too.
Take time.
Hold on, wait. We okay.
Top shot.
We jump over, hold on.
Give space. Ready?
Except for these men, I don't want no trouble. I just want your money.
Ask him again.
Do you want more? Say it! Not yet! We
Somebody say dancehall. Well, somebody say dancehall. Say dancehall. Say dancehall. Say dancehall. Say dancehall. Say dancehall.
Y'all can catch up fire.
Let's go. Hey, can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me loud and clear? I think I need to turn, oh wait a minute. Yo. I think I need to turn me up a little bit. You think so? I'm good? Everybody can hear me clear? What if you look dancehall, put your hand in the ear. I don't need to rush this time. So I can take my time. Alright. So we're gonna till the sun come up. All the people about love dance and music say yo! Listen, let me say something, right? Reggae Jam, we're gonna get some bad publicity, okay? I want to tell you, with the upside down woman over there, so, yeah, people were kind of upset. And then feel like, say, German people don't really fuck with dancehall music like that and Jamaica like that. But I've been coming to Germany for many years, and I know that these people in front of me right now love and respect Jamaica and dancehall music. So I'm going to say that was a mistake. I want to know if a video man or a camera can follow me around this side. Follow me around this side. This is the statue that should get the publicity. When the video person, run come, I say, run come. This one right here, can you see it? Yeah. Yeah, this one right here, sir. See the art right here, sir? This sculpture is the one that deserves all the publicity. So please make some noise to Reggae Jam. Make some noise to the people of Germany that love and respect Jamaica. And respect dancehall music and reggae music. I want to talk about a mistake. If you love Jamaica and you love dancehall music, put up a hand like this. All camera catch this. This is how Germany feel about Jamaica. And this is how Germany feel about dancehall music. Don't get it twisted, alright? Give me some more song. Pussy gonna be a time this again. Pussy Panama like a 90s again. This is a old type of pride is a thing. But you do the good tomorrow night with your friend. See all the road and this is where you are. Only they have to do anything you want. When this is things I don't think. You know what I'm music put your head up. I want to ask about the people in Germany if they fuck with Jamaican dancehall music. I want everybody to show the pictures with people putting up a heart for Jamaica and a heart for dancehall. Yeah? If you love dancehall one more time, put your hands up, say boom, 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 boom. I'm going to sing some reggae music here tonight. I want to. Engineer, please make sure I sound wonderful in this song right here. Oh, this one is for Michael Jordan. Okay. What was that? This is not that James. Sorry. Yeah. Reggae Jam. This is Reggae Jam. I'm a dancehall artist, but you don't know me, I love reggae song. Can I sing some reggae music tonight? Somebody say reggae!